Welcome to a moment of prayerful meditation. Breathe in His love. Breathe out pain. Breathe in His calm. Breathe out hurt. Psalm 147:3 says, He, the Lord, heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. You don't have to rush your healing. Allow God's presence to move through you. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Say this with me. Lord, make me whole again. Lord, make me whole again. Spend the next few moments breathing deeply, releasing any worry to Him. Breathe in His calm. Breathe out tension.